Hi, my name is Liam and I'm a sales engineer at Insightly. Today I'm going to be going over the native integration for PandaDoc along with a custom-built integration using Insightly AppConnect. The native connector for PandaDoc is fantastic for quickly creating PandaDoc documents right from the Insightly interface, and also allows users to map critical fields to PandaDoc documents such as contact and company information in order to eliminate duplicate entry and expedite the quoting process. Insightly AppConnect allows us to take this a step further by opening up the possibilities provided by the PandaDoc API. In today's example, I'm going to be showing how we can sync line items from Insightly quotes into a PandaDoc document. Combined with the native integration, AppConnect allows us to solidify Insightly as the single source of truth for customer and product information while leveraging PandaDoc's robust document templates and eSignature functionality. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start in the Opportunities Related tab and create a PandaDoc right from here. We'll actually open up this little PandaDoc modal. So this actually is what it looks like inside the PandaDoc solution itself. I'm going to select a template that we have, sales quote. And the great thing is because the customer was linked in the Related tab as a contact record, you can see if I click their name here, that information is going to pull right in along with any other fields that we might need to map here. So that's also part of this native integration. And now we're going to be able to see the document itself. The great thing is you can see highlighted in a yellow box here, everything that flowed in from the CRM. So the company name, the customer name, email, along with any other fields that we really want to do. So that's also a key component of this native integration is any fields that you want to merge in will be merged accordingly. And that's just about it for the native integration. I'm going to exit out here and we're actually going to continue this integration, but now using AppConnect. And you can actually see we had an AppConnect recipe running in the background that actually automatically created an Insightly quote as soon as I created that PandaDoc. So I'm going to click in here. And we can actually see it mapped that PandaDoc's ID and link to this quote. That's going to be useful later because what we're going to do is we're actually going to push the quote products from the Insightly quote into the PandaDoc document. We're doing this for the sake of this walkthrough today. You could always create a PandaDoc right from the Insightly system. You don't have to create it through our native integration and then sync those line items accordingly. However, some people might opt to do that, but just want to make that clear. I'm going to add some products to this quote here using our standard price book. And now we can see we actually have some quotes on this with a value of $52,000. Now what I'm going to do is actually push these products into the PandaDoc document that we generated earlier with the native integration. A key thing here is because we're connecting to the PandaDoc API, we are not just limited to syncing just fields into like places that they would go in the template. We can sync things like products as well, which is just far more dynamic. So I'm going to actually click our custom button that we sent here, send to PandaDoc, and that should have run. I'm going to click back into our PandaDoc using this link here. And we can see the proposal that we saw earlier, but let's scroll down to the product section to see if everything synced properly. And it certainly did. So as you can see pretty quickly there, we synced the actual products, not just fields into the document itself. So this looks pretty good to me. We can go ahead and send this. I've actually already had one sent to our demo customer here, so we can have this sales quote. The last thing I want to showcase is that another key benefit of AppConnect that our customers benefit from is you can sync the PandaDoc information back into Insightly once something has happened with that PandaDoc document. In this case, when it's signed, we all want to make sure when this is actually signed, we want to update the CRM accordingly, especially if that's an opportunity that's still open. We want to close that out because if the customer has accepted that business, more than likely we should represent that in the CRM automatically. So I'm going to go ahead. I've actually already attached a signature to this as the customer because it looks good here, and I'm going to finish that out. And now we can see this document is complete. So we have another AppConnect recipe running behind the scenes to grab that information and sync it back to that master opportunity. So I'm going to go back to our sales quote here, back to the opportunity, and you can see that that opportunity has automatically been closed won. Well, there you have it. To recap, we saw how the native Insightly integration with PandaDoc allows us to quickly and easily create a PandaDoc right from Insightly and map over relevant customer information. The custom integration built with Insightly AppConnect allows us to supercharge this workflow by syncing quote line items right onto the PandaDoc document and updating the relevant opportunity when a quote is signed. Whichever integration your organization decides to go with, the native connector, AppConnect, or a combination of the two, you can expect faster time to quote, better data integrity, and an overall exceptional experience for your customers. To explore how Insightly AppConnect can tailor automation to your specific needs, please reach out to our sales team for a personalized consultation. Thanks for watching.